Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you.
Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna go to brunch at the diner. Breakfast and lunch, period. Okay, y'all, so we made it to brunch. We are at the diner breakfast. I forgot what it's called. The diner breakfast and lunch. And it is currently 10:08. And we cannot check into that hotel until 3 o'clock. Like, oh my gosh. Look at her. But yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast. Yeah, the side of bacon. Thank you. Look. Yeah. We go to that baby crying. Yeah, I'll let y'all see the food when they get here. So okay, y'all, this is the food. We got bacon, that, grits, hash browns, and she got Nutella pancakes. And then I got Fruity Pebble pancakes. Let's taste them. Y'all, this is all I ate. Journey, you didn't even try it.
Because I didn't want to try it.
But you just said you want to.
I was just kidding.
It's sweet. Y'all, it's so sweet. I don't think I'm taking it home because whenever I take breakfast home, I don't eat it. Okay, yeah, we made it to the mall and it's so hot. But it's also so pretty. There goes Starbucks, Journey. Okay, y'all, so we at the mall. And yeah, we're about to go in Victoria's Secret and Pink first to see what they got. But okay, y'all, so we still in Pink. Vanilla. Oh, this kind of stuff. Good. I wish my man was here so he can help me save stuff so it's good or bad. Shit. I don't need no more perfumes. No more perfumes. Ciao. Only perfumes and their body scrubs and stuff. Like this. These are on sale. I didn't get to smell this one. Let me smell it. Yeah. Thank you. You too. Okay, y'all. Now we in Bath and Body Works. Y'all know they have their semi-annual. It smells good. This smells very good. So y'all, we're just gonna get these 2 cents in the Princess Milan. This smells so good. Real good for the summertime. Real good for the summertime. Okay. I can't wait. Yeah.
Your rewards member?
Yep.
Phone number in there for us, please. Hello, ladies. Welcome in.
Hello. Yeah, it's cute. They got like the pink on the back. This is cute. We at the second mall right now. Let's see. We at the second mall right now, and they have a Fat Tuesdays in here, and I'm trying to see about that. Nice little alcohol drink. Mama, should I get a drink? So y'all, I asked my mom should I get a drink, and she said no because it's too early. So I guess we won't be getting a drink, but. Yeah, I seen they have a Primark in here when we was pulling up. So that's really what I'm looking for. It's a Primark. Period. Yeah, we are still in the mall. Waiting on our Airbnb to say 3 o'clock so we can go check in. And I can give y'all a room tour. But it's only like about to be 2 o'clock. So we still got like another hour, unfortunately. But yeah, we just chilling right now. So we still in the mall though, doing a little bit of shopping or whatever. So let's go to Primark. Y'all see it in the back. Period. Y'all, Primark is so freaking big. Like, they have so much shit in here. I'm so glad I finally got to come because I never get to come. Like, they just have so much. And I actually need an eyelash curler because I do my own clusters, and this is good to curl your lashes with. One second, y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I got my life together, because this store is just so big and it's so lovely. Like, I love it. So we still in Primark. These jeans are only $14. I think I'm gonna grab them because I'm in shorts. They not jeans, but they're so cute. I couldn't fit that pair, so we're not gonna get that pair, but yeah. Okay, so it's 3:15 and we just now leaving the mall. I did it big in Primark, and yeah, we finna head to the Airbnb, and I will see y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, I just woke up from my nap, and I want to give y'all a Airbnb tour real quick. So let's start from the front door. This is the walk-in. And then you have the kitchen area. Kitchen is very modern, very cutesy. And then this is our dining room with our living room. And then we also have a patio out here. I will be out here sometime tonight or maybe tomorrow when it cools down. And then this is the room with my mom and sister are in. It has a bunk bed and then a real bed. And then they have a bathroom. And then my room looks like this with a closet and a bathroom. Very cutesy. About to get dressed and I'm gonna see y'all when we get out there.
Baby girl, tell me when you squirt, is it straight kick?
Okay, y'all, so we made it to World Food Trucks. Never been here before, but I've been to Orlando like so many times. But yeah, so we're gonna go in here, see what the World Food Truck's talking about. It was just raining, and I hope it don't rain again. But yeah, let's go in here, y'all. See what they talking about. So this is what it looks like, guys, before you walk in. Just real Orlando-y. Okay, y'all, so we made it in here. I'm trying to walk around and see what they got before I just go with anything. They got lemonades. They got a lot.
Let me pop it off.
Y'all, we gotta shake Shack. That is right. Damn. Wow, I can't hear. Oh, you have fruit punch?
No. We have our lemonades.
We got our Shake Shack. And it's so good. I'm gonna eat this and go to bed. It's currently 12 a.m. Huh? Nothing. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, so it's the next morning.
It's the best doctor y'all ever been to.
And we about to
This motherfucker got everything, Lily.
get dressed. Oh my god, the shoes already dropped.
You gonna bring it to me.
Okay, y'all, so we just got dressed for brunch. And yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to breakfast. Period. This two-piece set is from Shein. Period. Okay, y'all. We are at Burlington right now because when we went to brunch, they said 35-minute wait, and I know how to be in the store for a long time. Like, that just pissed me off. Yeah, we finally made it.
Yeah, who's driving those?
Okay, y'all, so we had brunch. This is my iced coffee I got.
So soft.
It's good. I forgot to show y'all my food, so let me show y'all. What's on my camera? This is my food. Y'all can see it's almost gone. Hers is already gone. And my mama, she ain't even eating. She eats so slow. But yeah, Kiki's is pretty good. What do you rate Kiki's, mama? Why do you get chocolate all over their stuff?
Wipe that out. Let me wipe it off. Snatch. Give me that. You're not using it.
I hate Indianapolis sometimes, but y'all have to go back to Dollar Tree because this popsicle right here, this motherfucker Spider-Man, good as hell. Look at the helicopter! Okay, y'all, so we made it to helicopter place, so we finna ride a helicopter, and yeah. Period. We did choose I forgot what we chose. Which one we chose? Oh, Universal. So we're going to go see Universal Studios. But yeah, we here. We gotta wait 10 minutes before we can get on the helicopter. Because as you can see, one of the helicopters is gone at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna see how once we get on that mug. Good, where are you? If y'all was interested in coming, they have some tours that's like $25, so you can't beat $25 for a tour. But it was fun. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Period. Okay, y'all, so now we at Icon Park. As y'all can see the Ferris wheel in the back, but I really want something cold and icy to drink, and I don't see anything out here, y'all. But it's so pretty always at Icon Park. Make sure y'all come here if y'all ever come to Orlando. It's free. Only thing you have to pay for is parking. But if you park on a certain floor, they will parking is free. So yeah. Let's see how much you want. Cause them look good. Hey ma'am. How much for lemonades?
$10, 13, 16.
Okay. Oh, it's hot as monkey nuts out here. But yeah, y'all, it's hot as hell out here. But yeah, they have a carousel over there, $6. But I'm not a fan of riding stuff like carousels and stuff, so I think that I will pass on that one. Yeah, so we came to a different place, and it looks so much better. I'm sorry. She got strawberry and she got passion fruit. it looks so good, y'all. So stop here, period. Strawberry and passion fruit. Thank you.
Bro, 15,
You said I look how old?
15 or 19. You can't tell me that you're only 25.
Yeah.
Your fist like you just born.
I dressed what?
You just born.
Born?
Yeah.
For a 5-year-old?
Yes. For real. I find a bigger.
Mama, he said I look 15.
Yeah.
He said, where's your mom at? I said, I'm grown.
Yeah. Those, and it gives a discount at the bar.
What kind of discount?
10%. It's already pretty
Yeah.
good price though. Alright, this is your ticket to ride. Make sure you go with you out there. Nothing else on the ride. No phones, wallets, keys, bags, cameras, anything like that.
So yeah, we finna ride this ride. Finna go get on the ride.
You gotta stop that.
Okay, y'all, we just got off that ride. And we also just got done going up them steps. No joke. No joke. Back up, Journey. Have my camera. No joke. No joke. A drink I got. Done. I'll see y'all later. Okay, we at the pool now. And I'm trying to take some pictures, but nothing's working out in my favor. Okay, like I was saying, we at the pool.
You gotta jump hard. Okay, I got this.
And
Watch me. Watch the pro do it. What? That was a good one. That was a good one.
yeah, we came and got in the hot tub because it's just better than being over there with them kids. But we about to play our own music because I don't know what the fuck they playing. Okay, y'all, so I'm all dressed for part 2. We finna go out, find something to eat. And yeah, the night is still young. So yeah, I'm about to, what time is it? So it's 8:17. So we finna go out. And yeah, I'll see you when we get wherever we going. Period. For the big big. I'm gonna say, Mama, we got no kids. Let her walk, let her talk, let her down there. Bro, y'all, we at the Lickin' right now. And yeah, if you've never been to the Lickin', make sure you come. They got the lemonade and yeah. Okay, y'all, so we got our the Lickin' food. This is a mystery lemonade that I always get when I come here. And then we got some Alfredo. So I got Alfredo, mystery drink, and then my sister got wings. So yeah, she responded. So. Where you ain't even going up to? So good, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we made it to Universal City Walk, and I'm gonna go see what they talking about in here. Okay. Period. Y'all, we made it. We freaking made it finally. Y'all, I spot a Fat Tuesdays. Y'all, I just had a camera scare. Like, my camera really just fell on the ground because the chain broke. So I'm just so in shambles right now. I'm kind of discombobulated, but I did just get a drink from Fat Tuesdays. I can't wait to try it. I need to get a video of it first. Let's try it, y'all. This is good. That's fire. We finna sit right here and take some cute videos with our stuff on. It's so cute out here at night. Like, they got a concert going on down there. And it's just lit up so beautiful out here, y'all. Like, just look at City Walk, okay? And it's free. So when y'all come to Orlando, make sure y'all come here because it's free and you don't have to pay to get in. Period. Y'all, everybody out here keeps saying that I look 18, 19, 16. Like, I think it's just different in Florida because everybody out here a little bit growner. And I guess I don't look too grown, but I'm grown. Period. Y'all, it's so cute out here. Shit, my feet is so oily. I just want you to me to go somewhere. Okay, are we leaving City Walk? Yeah, I didn't walk around the whole thing because them two left me. So I didn't have to, I wasn't in the mood to walk the whole thing because, like I said, they left me. So I was just chilling, making some TikToks about a Universal sign. And these sandals that I got on, they're not comfortable. So I didn't want to walk. So yeah. Look at somebody driving a Chevy Cruze out here. Same thing as me. Period. But yeah, we're walking to the car now, and we're on our way to the Airbnb. Period.